Sayang, what's happened?
So I don't know when it was the checking something, and then suddenly my head is broken.
Heart is broken. That's for my papa, Sayang. We have to buy the.
I'm so sorry. We
It's
can
okay.
buy one in Saigon.
Yeah, we have to buy in Saigon. This lady have a huge, big prawn at the morning.
Honey,
So
everybody's
beautiful.
saying hello to
Hello.
you.
Good morning. It's 6:15 a.m. and we are in Son Tra area of Danang. I'm gonna show you a little bit how's the Danang people having activities at morning. Today is our last day in Danang, and we drive like a 10 minutes, 5 minutes from the old center of Danang, where is this all the high buildings, including our hotels. And here there are some fishermen everywhere around.
Basically, so we are in the area close by the Son Tra hill, close by the Lady Buddha statue over there, and that is the Son Tra hill. Wow. Many people saying that Danang is everything. You see that on the beach, you can see the beach side here, and they also have a mountain, and they also have a beautiful people. So yeah, now we will explore the, like this part of the Danang, which is famous with the fisherman village.
This is what they caught this morning, actually, the fresh crabs.
Oh.
They have some machine to filter the water, actually, really not so bad.
So it
they
means
have
that
a
they
crab.
don't really use ice, like, sorry, I compare with Bali. So the fishermen in Bali, whenever they just finish fishing, they just use the ice, but here they use the,
Filtration water.
yeah,
That's very nice. So they have a
to
crab.
keep it fresh.
They mostly have the crabs here, right? Okay, this lovely cellar. That's cool. Let's go next. This is how they are transforming this. The sand everywhere is nice and clean. This lady have a huge, big prawn at the morning.
Honey,
So
everybody's
beautiful.
saying hello to
Hello. Big fish, small fish,
Wow.
more fish.
Oh, they already have ice as
Oh,
well.
this one with ice already.
Maybe that's only for the crab.
Yeah. So nice, so nice. And the local seems very friendly and happy as we come here, especially with the camera filming them. Seems like not so many tourists coming here.
Yeah. So the nice thing is that everybody are happy here. Showing like,
That's what.
starting your day with the happiness is a good sign.
It's a good sign, especially as it's 6:15 in the morning. And you know me, if you're watching me longer, you know me, I'm not really morning person. But it's very happy as I wake up and show you today Danang at morning, little bit. And this one is the small fish, what they're using for, I don't know actually for what, but it's the smaller fish. Sayang, there is the fisherman, we should go there.
Oh.
And that's how it looks like. Empty beach actually, there are few fishermen, and that's it. And the city as the skyline.
Okay, look at the sand, guys. It's very soft sand and white sand beach. And yeah, now we are walking on the fisherman side.
Regarding the skyline of the city with the big buildings, well, that's how they are making here in Vietnam. Mostly this is like hotels. The smaller ones are hotels, the taller ones are condominiums, the apartments. So that's how does it look like. And this is older part of Danang, I guess, because still not so many buildings very close to the beach, and the houses are actually normal houses, small ones.
I read that there are the two areas in Danang where expat living. The first one is the Antong. Antong is over there, close by our hotel. It's just like 5-minute drives to the south. And then the second area is this area, Son Tra. Son Tra is more peaceful, like quite far from the bar, the pubs. For those expats who just want to live peacefully, just in this area, close by the Son Tra hill. And you see that behind that, there's so many housing. So yeah, this is how actually you know, people living in Da Nang, Vietnam. And look at that. This is how the fishermen going fishing. Actually, they have a small boat, like a bowl size. Well, actually, this is the fisherman boat. You see, there is no machine in it, honey.
Yeah,
so
they just
they
pushing,
really
yeah.
have to push it with the row. Wow. Wow.
So nice. And it's actually very small and it's like a ball. Looks like a ball. And I think also if you come here at morning and would you like to buy the fish from them, you could do it very easily.
And I think that much cheaper.
Much cheaper, yeah. Anyways, it's already around 7 o'clock. We're gonna go hotel. I still need to edit video. We're gonna check out at 12 o'clock and our flight to Saigon is at 3 p.m. So after that will be like a, you know, travel vlog, and then we're gonna make a transformation from Da Nang back to Saigon.
Okay guys, so now we will explore how the area, the Son Tra area for the housing.
Time for checkout. It's a little bit windy, but it's time for checkout. We ordered our taxi. Someone gonna come grab. Cost us 70,000 dongs coming to airport. It's only 15 minutes from this side of the from the Da Nang, from the hotel. It's cost you about $3. Really not so bad. That's our car, our Innova. This time, Sank, are you ready? You with your hat. Okay, let's go. This is our hotel, last shot for everyone who is interested. Very nice place. Thank you, bye. Within 15 minutes we arrived to the airport. Like I said, $3 for the grab. Very easy, very convenient. We're flying now back to Saigon by Vietjet again. And yeah, see you on the other side. Pretty nice airport, quiet, clean. They have a Highlands Coffee ATM. And this is the entrance. We're flying by Vietjet. Let's see how is the terminal. Is it busy? Is it quiet? Seems like not so bad. Not so busy, not so quiet. Self-check-in over there. We're going to the machine.
So Damian will do the self-check-in, and this is the self-check-in machine. It's very easy. And yeah, I'll show you how is the domestic airport. I think that this one is the same with the international airport. So yeah, we will depart soon to Saigon. This one is for the Bamboo Airways.
Sayang, what's happened?
So I don't know when it was the checking something, and then suddenly my head is broken.
Heart is broken. That's for my papa, Sayang. We have to buy the.
I'm so sorry. We
It's
can
okay.
buy one in Saigon.
Yeah, we have to buy in Saigon, but it was nice.
At least we learn how to look after this.
Or how to do not put in the scanner. So while you are waiting for your gate for your plane, there's the Burger King, some shops, souvenir shop, gift shops, also drinks option. There's even bar with the Heineken, and there is the Highlands coffee. I think we didn't try the Highlands coffee while we were in Vietnam. Something different today. This is like a popular brand everywhere I saw it, so it's like a, you know, chain one. But actually, Winnie's hungry a little bit, and me also. It's 1 o'clock. Our flight is at 3. We're gonna arrive around 5 in Saigon, so it's the time to try the 424. 424. Another soup. Let's go. Yes.
I always hungry.
That's good, no problem, let's go. And then coffee. Also the prices in the airport, they are not really much more expensive. Okay, yeah, of course they are more expensive than in the city, but not like a very crazy more expensive. We're gonna take us some fun. I just wanted to notice that as all the prices in Vietnam, wherever you go, even in the airport, in the hotel, everywhere, they are included the taxes and service. So if it's 50 or 100 or 150, you're just gonna pay this one. You're not gonna pay like an extra 20% like in other countries. So yeah.
Just said like in Bali.
Okay, like in Bali, 21% extra.
All right, so our food arrived. Honey, what you order, honey?
Four. It's costly 150 for all, including the drink.
150,000 dong. So $9. For me, I eat rice, beef, chom tam suon, whatever it is. Yeah. So yeah, smacznego.
Actually $5.
Oh, $5.
Yeah, actually
$5 actually. Yes. So yeah, smacznego kochani. Okay, so after we had our lunch, we decided to have a coffee and dessert. So Damian really want to buy coffee and dessert. So this is the situation actually in the airport, domestic terminal. And yeah, what I can say, quite busy. So Highlands Coffee is actually one of the coffee chain in Vietnam also. So everywhere you go in Vietnam, you will find the Highlands Coffee.
Sayang, boarding. We're going back to Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. And we are flying again by Vietjet. But today we are not walking on the middle of the runway. I mean, in the, outside. We're going from the... This is nice airline, Bamboo Airways. Next time I have to try. Let me know if it's nice airline or it's like, let me know. And the Vietnam Airlines, I used to fly last time using Vietnam Airlines, but I was sold out because we came here on the weekend. So book it advanced next time. Boarding. Welcome. Hello. Welcome. Thank you. Xin chào. When I was checking, I saw it's gonna be full plane, so it was actually all the flights sold out when I was checking yesterday to reschedule the time. So very busy in general. People flying between the cities all the time, but the flights are only for $50 or less. If you are using the airline like this one, it's just not so bad. But even Vietnam Airlines last time wasn't that expensive, also around 50, just was sold out currently. So we are off to Saigon, Ho Chi Minh. We're gonna spend 1 day there, and let's see what next. So you feel cold?
But this is good,
It's nice.
What is it? The aircon is cold.
Alright, we arrived to Saigon again. This is the domestic terminal in Chi Minh City. Ordered the Grab for over 88,000 currently to the same hotel because I thought it's very convenient, right? So we are just waiting for the car. It's very busy. It's actually currently like 5:30. Plane was slightly delayed. And it's actually very busy in domestic terminal. Check this out. So many people everywhere around. Pretty busy airport, and this is already like a cafe, so we are looking for line D. Have to get more deep inside for the line D for the Grab in this occasion. In case if you're interested, so Highlands Coffee, and in the background you can see the Starbucks, McDonald's, and now they are taxi drivers actually waiting here. So this is the place where you're gonna pick up the Grab, and they said D05, so pillar number 5 there, something like that. Kinda easy, yes sir.
Nowadays traveling is so much easier, you know, if you have internet on your phone, and then you have like Grab or any kind of online transportation. It's just like easy.
So we are come back to Saigon, Ho Chi Minh again, staying in the same hotel in District 1. It's already like 8 o'clock p.m, little bit late. We are going to having a dinner, probably the pho what we had in the first day, the same place, because we like it.
Yeah, because it was so big traffic from the airport. Actually today it took us around more than half hour to go back to hotel actually.
Yeah.
So it's time to have a dinner, and then we are a little bit tired.
Tomorrow morning we have another flight, so bear with us. Tomorrow is another very interesting travel vlog. We're gonna have a dinner. That was very nice trip today, yesterday, all week actually. We will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.